Take a ride in the 2023 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.